people, good morning beautiful people, and today is actually actual Tanya's birthday now, finally, since the celebration has been going on for 3 days. Today is the vlog where she actually has her birthday. Today is 24th of February and we are about to leave from these guys' place over here. They gave us an amazing surprise. She is super duper happy. She had so much fun. Actually, we all had so much fun. Yeah. So thank you guys for everything. The cake was delicious. We have packed some of the cake. Yep. We left him
a little bit of the middle pain.
Yeah, no icing for him anymore. And yep, so we are all set to say our goodbyes and see them every other weekend probably. So yep.
Okay guys, so
happy birthday!
Thank you! So we are finally leaving now. We're going to Waffle House to have breakfast. And because Waffle House is like favorite all time and it's not close to our place, so whenever we go anywhere where there's Waffle House, we always have our breakfast or brunch in Waffle House. So that is where we are going right now, and then from there we're gonna go to Indian store to pick up like 2 to 3 things like ghee, green chili and other stuff, and then head home and then go pick up Marvel and bring him home. So yes, let's go. So guys, we are finally back home. It's like literally home sweet home, but I had a lot of fun and we just reached home, so we're gonna go and pick up Marvel right now from the dog sitter. And she is with Marvel in her farmhouse, so we're gonna go pick her up, and we'll bring Marvel back, and then let's see what we do for the day. So we are almost here. It's just 4 minutes for us to reach the place, and you can see how beautiful this area is. I think this is the first time we're coming to this area because we really don't have any work this side. It's like very empty and it's jungle and there are farmhouses and all that stuff. So she also has a farmhouse where Marvel is right now, and that is where we are going to pick him up.
Yep, we were supposed to pick him up from her house, but then it turned out that he is having fun at her farmhouse.
Yeah.
So we'll go pick him up from here now.
She has a swimming pool and all that stuff in her farmhouse. So we saw pictures, she sent us videos and everything, so he was having a lot of fun. So we'll get to see him now.
That's why we are having all these stalls.
Yeah, we have all these stalls in here.
Or whatever.
Yeah.
No idea.
Yeah, because he had so much fun swimming and everything.
So let's go find out. We are here, guys.
Oh my god, we are here. I think it's a left one.
Yeah.
Oh no. Oh yeah, it's a left one. We are here. Oh my god, she has a beautiful place. Wow. Oh, Marvel is right here. I can see him. He is right there.
Let me go make a U-turn.
Yeah.
Just unleash him. That way it will be easier.
Right. There we go.
Hey, buddy. Hey.
How long has it been since you've seen him?
Was that in one day?
Hey.
Yeah, it was just
It's only
yesterday.
20.
Oh,
I
Friday.
know.
Friday
Is
night.
mommy daddy here? I know.
You just
Are you
went
ready to go
swimming.
home?
So he's a little bit down.
Are you ready to go home, buddy?
Juliet, she has had a blast.
Has she?
Yes, and they all have had a blast. All right, let me put this on him and let me pass you Marvel.
You go.
Do you want to get the leash? There we go.
I know. Yes.
Happy? Hi, Bob.
Yeah. Are you ready to go home? I know.
Sit.
Yes.
Okay, sit.
You ready to go home? You ready to go home? Are you such a good boy? You had so much fun?
You had so much
fun here? Yes.
Yes, sit.
Come here. Let him pee, maybe. Do you wanna go to pee? I know.
Do you wanna pee? बंद कर दो.
Come on, let's go home.
बैठो मैं सामान लेके.
Oh my god, guys, look how excited he is.
Okay guys, so we just picked him up. Look at him. Wonderful! Are you happy? See us? So she told us that he had so much of fun and he just came out of the pool, so he was a little wet. But
He's a little damp, but
yeah,
he's
little damp.
good.
Yeah,
He's pretty clean and everything.
everything. So
She took a very good care of him.
yeah, she
We're
did.
really
She,
happy.
yeah, she did that. And now we are going back home. Finally.
Yeah. And get a little relax a bit.
Marvel, here, show me your face. Come here. Here. Can I please wipe it? Anyway, so we are going home now and we'll see you once we reach home. So we are back home and let me show you. It's such an amazing day because today's my birthday and my package also arrived. So I was trying a new online website. It's called Shein. So I wanted to try a bikini, like a swimsuit. So I got this from there. You can see it's super pretty. And the set is like this. So this is how it looks. And it fits perfectly. It's very comfortable. I loved it. And I also wanted to try a dress. So I got this dress. Hold on. Yeah, so this is how the dress is. These are the arms, and let me show you the picture so you know properly. Hold on. Yeah, so this is the dress, if you can see.
Yep.
Yeah, so this is what actually I wanted to try. I just got a swimsuit and a dress just to see how the material and everything is, and it came out amazing. So I'm definitely gonna order more from this site. So that's it. I'm super tired. Just we're gonna sit for some time, watch some TV or something, and let's see.
And Marvel is also super tired, so he is already sleeping over here. He is so tired. You have no idea, guys. Because he has been swimming and running with his friends for 2 days and he was super tired when we reached. So that's a good thing for us because we can relax too. We already had him pee and poop before we bring him upstairs, so no need to worry about that anytime soon. So we are gonna relax for an hour or so and then we'll probably go to the mall. So we are out again. Marvel is sleeping in the house.
He's so tired and he's just sleeping like a baby right now.
Yeah, so he refuses to do anything probably. So we are gonna go to the mall, look around few things, see if she finds anything, because birthday ke din shopping to banta hai na. So we are gonna go and see if she finds what she needs, and then we'll come back. So here, those of you who doesn't know, malls closes at 6 on Sundays. Yeah. You may find it weird at first, why the hell a mall would close at 6, but they are also people. They need a day off, or at least an early day, you know. So that's why we are going right now. It's 3 o'clock, and we'll be back in a couple of hours, and then we'll free up Marvel, feed him, and do everything, and then we will go for dinner. I am ready and so is she. So ready to meet the birthday girl. Finally, this is the birthday dinner. So she has been waiting to wear the dress she has got from India, from Forever New, and she has been waiting to wear this. So we are ready to go for our dinner. This guy is exhausted and sleeping, so he's gonna sleep, and we are heading out to the Cheesecake Factory for dinner. If you haven't been there, it has the longest menu ever I have seen actually. So we are going there, and let's see what we are gonna order. Oh my god guys, the food is here, and do you want to tell them what we got?
So this is Korean cauliflower with some sauce. I don't know which one it is. We'll taste it and let you know. And this is cheeseburger spring roll. It's gonna be delicious.
So this is cheeseburger spring rolls, and this is the cauliflower.
Try the number 8 by the I'm more melted
Just send me your address, bro.
Okay.
Babies, bro, they won't face
Okay guys, we have our Alfredo, and here at Cheesecake Factory they gave you so much portion that we decided we are gonna just have one and share.
Because we cannot finish this one entire.
Yeah.
No way.
This is huge guys, this is huge. Look at this. And we still have our appetizers unfinished. So, and these were small plates. These were not like a whole plate appetizers too.
Yeah.
These were like a small plate.
Plates.
But yeah, here they serve you food very generously, I guess. So let's take it. So I guess that was the birthday dinner.
Yes.
Oh my god. The food was so
Delicious.
goddamn delicious. But if you have never been to Cheesecake Factory, do go try it yourself.
Yeah.
Only one thing that you want to know is that their portion size is too big. We
Yeah.
literally, like, they have something called small plates, and then they have something called appetizers.
Appetizers.
We always order small plates. Like, we got 2 small plates and we couldn't finish them, and we got like 1 entree, like pasta, and we shared both of them, and we couldn't
And
finish
still
it.
we couldn't finish.
So we have all those 3 things in our fridge now. So, how did you like your birthday?
I loved it. I had so much of fun. Like from 21st, all the fun started, and it was amazing.
So I guess there's one more thing still that is supposed to happen. Since our Saturday schedule got a little bit changed,
Yeah.
but it was so much fun. I have to like switch few things, and tomorrow we are going for a biking trail.
Yeah,
So-
super excited for that.
Yes, so we haven't been on this one, and we have never rented a bike before, so we are super excited to do it, and we'll try to even, it will be very hard while biking to hold this camera, so we even ordered a head strap for a GoPro, so
Yeah.
we can record whatever we can for you guys.
Ugh.
So tomorrow's vlog is still gonna be so much fun. And yes, now I know there's a couple of days gap that happened. We were traveling, we didn't have like connectivity and all those things, like we were not home to edit the vlogs.
Yeah.
Like we were in the Universal, so we are out for the dinner or something or the other. But now you'll start getting all our vlogs, and you're gonna have so much watching these. So if you like our vlogs, don't forget to share, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and tell us more what you want, what things can help you more, and share, just
Yeah.
share, it's just connectivity, social media. So do stay tuned, share, like, comment, subscribe, and share with all your friends and family if you like our vlogs. And happy birthday to this amazing girl one again. So comment
you.
happy birthday, and bye-bye.
Bye.